I mean, the whole idea of killing anything is pretty non-sattvic. It's aggression, it's anger, it's tamasic and rajasic. So these tendencies are in us as Western Kshatriya type people. So better we try to follow the path of respecting all living entities. It's a seva. I mean, these are high things, they're very hard for us to perceive. It's not just burning, you have to use a piece of cloth from a man and put inside. Everything's so deep in this culture. It's based on helping another, and loving and helping another. Because the idea is that we are one living entity and they are other living entities. They're Brijbasis, we're not. So, in order to be accepted by Radharani and Krishna in this land of theirs, we have to have their type of consciousness. So it evolves over many lifetimes. So all this aggressive spirit and destroying spirit, all these things are, how do you say, contrary to the mood of Vrindavan. This is a land of absolute harmony and unity and love, and the cobras are serving Radharani's Lila. Radharani meets Krishna for the Rasa dance or somewhere for some Kunja Lila, and she sees that Krishna already met another gopi first. She's angry, she runs, I'm going home, she runs back to Varsana, and on the way Yogamaya sent one cobra goes, a king cobra. An ordinary cobra is only 6, 8, 9 feet long. King cobra is 20, 22, whatever. And the head of an ordinary, hood of an ordinary cobra, you see it like this. But a king cobra's head like this, his hood, and oftentimes they have jewel on it. It's big. And then when they stand up, they're from the ground, they're little short, less than 2 meters. 1.5 meters. Looking at you eye to eye. Ooh.